Hi everyone, we are the CC Innovator team. Our team members are myself, Akujam Koreng Angom, Standard 12 Science.
And I am Kinkan Singh of Class 12 Science.
I am Kashamnalin Singh of Class 12 Science.
And I'm Roy Tong from Class 12 Science.
Last year, I'm also from Class 12 Science.
We have come together to work on a project based on agriculture and rural development IoT project under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat or Self-Reliant India. The name of our project is some smart drip irrigation system. In many parts of India, especially in rural farming areas, farmers use traditional flood irrigation, which is a loss of water, electricity, and time. Sometimes the field remains dry because farmer is not there and not aware of the soil condition or is not available to turn on the water pump. The insufficient nutrients can severely limit plant growth and development, leading to delayed malnutrition and reduced crop yields. This in turn can impact food production and availability. To solve this problem, we are trying to control water supply automatically or manually only when the soil is dry using sensor and microcontrollers, and stop irrigation when enough moisture is detected, ensuring water conservation and efficient farming. The use of soil testing kits enables the detection of nutrient requirements for plants, allowing for precise dispensing of nutrients into the water supply. This process can be done manually or automatically, minimizing the effect required for farmers. By analyzing the soil and determining the specific nutrient needs of the plants, the system ensures optimal nutrient levels, reducing waste and environmental impact. This approach not only streamlines agricultural practices but also promotes sustainable farming methods, ultimately leading to improved crop yields and better resource management. The working of our project. Here, we have a soil moisture sensor placed inside the field. The sensor continuously checks the moisture level of the soil. The node MCU reads the sensor value, and if the soil is dry, it activates the water pump through a relay module. Once the soil becomes moist, sufficiently wet, it automatically turns off the pump. Here, let's see a working demo. Let us place the soil moisture sensor into a drier place, and we can see that the water irrigation has started. Again, let us take it out and place it at a wet place, and automatically the sensor turns on and the irrigation stops. We can also add a rain motion sensor. Here, when the rainwater comes, we can see a spike in the data chart given in the computer. And here is the relay module. The relay module helps receive the data given out by the sensors. Next, we have the custom water level sensor. It is made up of register. Here, when we place out the sensor, it automatically detects the water level and not the water level. The water level sensors help the farmers to know about the water levels in their respective fields. We can also add a custom water register to continuously check the flow of the irrigation system. With these systems, the farmers can easily maintain their water level in their fields, and these inventions can help the farmers to build the future of our nation with enough items for more sustainable resource management.